If your Google business profile isn't set up right, you're invisible on Google Maps, and that means your competitors are getting calls that should be going to you. I'm Kelsey with KaeRae Marketing. I've been helping home service businesses show up on Google since 2015, and I can tell you the most profiles that I see are missing the basics. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your Google business profile the right way. Whether you're starting from scratch or fixing an existing one, this is what you need to know. First, go to google.com/business and sign in with a Google account. Ideally, one you use for your business, not your personal Gmail. If your business already shows up on Google, you'll claim it. If it doesn't, you'll create a new listing. Google will ask you to verify, usually by postcard, phone call, or video. Do this right away. Until you're verified, you can't fully control your listing. Once you're in, fill out every single field. I mean it, every one. Business name. Use your real business name. Don't stuff keywords in here like Joe's Plumbing, best emergency plumber in Dallas. Google hates that and might suspend you. Address. If you go to customers, like most home service businesses, you'll set a service area instead of showing a physical address. You can list cities, counties, zip codes, whatever you serve. Phone. Use a local number, not a 1-800 number. Local numbers perform better in local search. Hours. Set your actual hours, including if you're available 24/7 for emergencies. This is the part most people mess up. Your primary category is the single most important thing for your ranking on Google Maps. Choose one that best describes your main service. If you're a plumber, choose plumber, not contractor or home service. Be specific. Then add secondary categories for other things you do, like water heater installation or drain cleaning service. Google uses these to decide which searches you show up for. Get them right. Next, add your services. Google gives you a whole section for this. Use it. List every service you offer with a short description. This helps Google understand what you do and helps customers find exactly what they need. Then write your business description. You've got 750 characters. Use it to explain what you do, who you serve, and what makes you different. Write it for humans, not robots, but include your main keywords naturally. Photos matter more than you think. Businesses with photos get 42% more requests for directions and 35% more clicks to their website. That's not me making it up. That's Google's own data. Add your logo, a cover photo, photos of your team, your truck, your work. Real photos, not stock images. People want to see the actual humans who are going to show up at their house. Last thing, and this one separates good profiles from great ones. Reviews. You need to actively ask for reviews. After every job, send a follow-up text or email with a direct link to your Google review page. And when you do get a review, respond to every single one, even the good ones, especially the bad ones. Google sees that as you're engaged and your customers see that you care. To set up your Google business profile the right way, claim your listing, get verified, fill out every single field, choose the right categories, add services and photos, and start getting reviews. Do this and you'll be ahead of 80% of your competitors. If you're not sure whether your profile is set up right, I do Google audits that include a full breakdown of your Google business profile. The link's in the description. Hit subscribe if you want more videos like this. I post every week. See you in the next one. Want to learn how to rank higher on Google Maps? Make sure to watch this.